It doesn't matter what type of economy you're in, a knowledge economy, an agrarian economy, even in directed economies. You always need uh, to be able to problem solve. That's a skill whose value is not going away and never will. Recognizing that you can always improve your problem solving skills, that's important and hard to do, especially as you gain experience and knowledge, uh, because knowledge itself helps your problem solving skills. Imagine you have a software that you are implementing and you do it 15 times for 15 different customers. You're going to encounter numerous different systems that you have to integrate your software with, and therefore your ability to problem solve for those softwares that you've encountered in the future has grown, right? You've gained some kind of predictive knowledge about the variables that you may encounter, right? So you'll know what to do or how to solve a problem or how to even look for a problem in a new system because you've had to look for how the problem occurred in all these other different systems in the past. So there might be some analogous lines of investigation that you could follow in the coding, etc. Right? So, but that knowledge and that experience can blind us to the fact that we need to keep expanding our ability to problem solve. And one of the ways that you can do that is by developing and learning about different ways to approach problems. And one of those methods that I use is I call it the sandwich method. Right? Sandwich method is basically you're dealing with the consequences of a problem, and you deal with the conditions that created the problem. Right? And that way you solve the problem now, and you solve the problem in the future. Right? Dealing with the consequences. Understanding and taking action on the consequences, and understanding and taking action related to the conditions. So what you have is short-term solution, then you have the mid-term and long-term solution. That's the sandwich. You solve the problem now as best you can, and you take action to prevent it in the future.